Hey Secondary 1 Math Prodigy, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 1 of your assessment paper number 7, the final questions on algebra. So let's take a look at the questions right away. Now this set of questions I've actually put together to make sure that you understand and you repeat in your mind the concept of letting something be a variable. So for example, in the first question it says Ali is 1/3 as old as his father. In 13 years time, Ali will be half as old as his father. How old is his father now? Now at the first glance, after joining secondary 1, you will notice that, oh wow, this looks pretty impossible. Am I missing some information? You are not. Which is why I'm going to introduce you this concept. You can actually do a lot of things with this simple concept of letting something be X, or letting something be A, letting something be Y, up to you. So in this case, we're looking for his father's age. So we allow his father's age to be X. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to write this down. Let Ali's father's age, or let father's age be X. Okay, why do we let it be X? Because that's what we are trying to find. Always let, I'm going to write this as in red because it's very important. Let father's age be X and be X. Whatever you want it to be, it's up to you. Okay, so with this, I want to choose X. Now, the first part says Ali is 1/3 as old as his father. So if his father is X, Ali would be how old? Ali would be 1/3 X, correct? So Ali's X age is 1/3 X. So this is Ali and this is his father. Okay, the next part says that in 13 years time, Ali will be half as old as his father. So this is now. Okay, in 13 years time, what happens? Both of them will age accordingly. Both of them will age plus 13 years. 1/3 X plus 13 and X plus 13. And the question says that where is it? Ali will be half as old as his father. Ali will be half as old as his father. So that means basically we have to look at this thing over here. Okay. Okay, what does this mean? So for example, let's say Ali's age is 13, his father will be 26. Of course, he can't father 26. Maybe his age is 20, his father will be 40, something more realistic. So which means that what you must know is 1/3 X plus 13, which is whatever his age is actually equals to half of X plus 13. Now, like this, now after we've done this, now we can actually open it up and actually solve the question. Okay, this is the most vital part. Once you have this equation, you can solve it already. So again, whenever we have equations like this, what we want to do is we want to make the denominator the same. Always remember this. When you get this right, when you get this concept right, things become very easy. So 3 and 2, common denominator is 6. So you want to make it 6, so we times 2 here, we times 2 below as well. Here is over 1, we must times 6 to it. Here is, and that's it actually. Right, so what we'll do is, to make it 6, we times 3, and we times 3 above. So let's do it. 2x over 3, so it's over 6 plus 13 times 6 give you 6, 12, 18, 78, right? Okay, over 6 is equals to 3 times x gives me 3x, 3 times 13 gives me 39 over 6. When you have something like this, what can you do? You can simply eliminate the denominators. So we are left with 2x plus 78 equals to 3x plus 39. Oh, by the way, why can I eliminate the denominators? Because I can multiply to 6 on both sides. So multiply by 6, multiply by 6, okay? So we are left with the numerators. And of course, after that, we just solve it. Put all the x's on one side, put all the numbers on one side. So put all the variables on one side. Which one's easier? To put this over here. So positive 2x, bring over becomes negative 2x. 3x minus 2x gives you x. And 78, when positive 39, when I bring it over, it becomes negative 39. 78 minus 39 gives me the answer of 39. Therefore, x is equals to 39. Doesn't matter if it's on the left hand side or right hand side. Preferably, we would like to put it on the left hand side. Okay, so that's the answer for question number 1. If you got that one right, high five to you because you are a math prodigy. Good job. All right. So that brings me to the quote of the week. And the quote of the week is, trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. Listen, what I noticed is that some of you actually know how to do this stuff, but you've been so conditioned in your mind over the past few years to not be good at math that when you start becoming better, you kind of hold yourself back, you know? So here's the key. Here's the key to unleashing your abilities. Here's the key to unleashing your greatness. The key is confidence. The key is to trust yourself. Listen, when you don't trust yourself, all that knowledge that you have stored in your subconscious mind cannot get out. Okay, so when you trust yourself, that is the key that unlocks the door that allows your knowledge to come out and for you to get your A's easily. Trust me, math is not difficult. It's easy. Once you repeat it over and over again, it becomes part of your system. You can't escape it anymore. All right. So that's all I have for you today. All right. So with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.